Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Milan Aliu. I'm from class N5 BA 1111F and my student ID is 2024441866.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adham bin Razmi. I am from class BA 111F and my metric number is 2024255338.
Okay, hi, my name is Ahmad Shehan bin Syed Badrul Tamam. I'm from BA 1111F and my student ID is 2024664098.
Hi, my name is Hamid Bishan Suhaimi. I'm from class BA 1111F and my student ID is 2024699112.
So let's start with part A. Fatah intends to invest 80% of his 100,000 ringgit into an investment scheme for 6 years and 6 months. He has two schemes to consider as follows. Scheme A offers an interest rate of 5.8% compounded every 2 months. Scheme B, on the other hand, offers an interest rate of 6.2% compounded semi-annually. Question A. Which scheme should he choose and what is the reason for his choice? The accumulated amount for Scheme A is 116,421 ringgit and 37 cents, whereas the accumulated amount for Scheme B is 118,974 ringgit and 16 cents. Fatah should choose Scheme B because it offers a higher interest rate and a higher accumulated amount compared to Scheme A. Question B. How much interest can be earned based on the chosen scheme in question A? Following the interest formula of I equals S minus P, take 118,974 ringgit and 16 cents minus 80,000 ringgit. The interest earned will be 38,974 ringgit and 16 cents.
For question C, how long shall he invest to accumulate 150,000 ringgit using the same scheme chosen in question A? So based on the question, 150,000 ringgit is S and the question asks us to find T. So for this question, we will use compound interest formula, which is S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. And after we substitute the information into the formula, we will get 150,000 equal to 80,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.031 close bracket to the power of 2t. And after we calculate it, we will get 1.805 equal to open bracket 1.031 close bracket to the power of 2t. So right now, to find t, we have to use log, and it will become log 1.875 equal to 2t multiply log 1.031, and we have to divide both of log and it will become 20.60 equal to 2t, and then we'll have to divide it with 2 and we will get the answer of t is 10.30 years. For the question D, if he invests an additional 5,000 ringgit 3 years after his initial investment in the scheme chosen in question A, how much will he have earned at the end of the investment period? So based on the question, 5,000 ringgit is P2 because the question says 3 years after his initial investment, and I is equal to 0.031 because it refers to amount that we take from scheme in question A, and N1 after we calculate 2 multiply 3.5 we will get 7, and N2 after we calculate 2 multiply 3 we will get 6. So right now we will use compound interest formula, and then we will substitute the amount into the formula, and we will get S1 equal to 80,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.031 close bracket to the power of 7. And after we calculate it, the amount of S1 is 99,060.53. So right now we have to calculate the S2 because we need to find the total amount that he have earned after 3 years. So the total amount of S2 is 124,979 ringgit on 28 cents.
Part B, question 1. Dewi saves 200 every 3 months for 7 years into an account that pays 2.5% compounded quarterly. Question A. How much does she have in the account at the end of the period? In this situation, we have to find the future value of annuity, which is S. To find the future value of annuity, we will use the formula S equals to R bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n minus 1 over I. The R equals to 200, T equals to 7 years, K equals to 0.025, M equals to 4. After that, we just need to insert all the information given into the formula. S equals to 200 bracket 1 plus 1 over 160 bracket power of 28 minus 1 over 1 over 160. And the final answer is S equals to 6,099 and 12 cents. Question B. How much is the interest earned? The formula to find the interest is I equals to S minus N times R. I equals to 6,099 and 12 cents minus 28 times 200. And the final answer is 499 and 12 cents.
Okay, for question 2, part B, Jenna wants to buy a house that costs RM 340,000 ringgit. She needs to pay 10% as a down payment and borrow the rest from a bank for 35 years. She has 2 banks to choose. Bank A, interest rate is 3.8% compounded every 2 months. Bank B, interest rate 4% compounded monthly. Okay, for question A, find out how much Jenna will need to pay each month for both options. P is 306,000 ringgit and 35 years. For bank A, K is 0.038, M is 6. For bank B, K is 0.04, M is 12. Okay, for bank A, you can use present value formula. 306,000 ringgit equals to R opening bracket 1 minus opening bracket 1 plus 19 divided by 3,000 closing bracket to the power of negative 210 divided by 19 divided by 3,000 and then open closing bracket. And then you will get 115.96 and then make it to the side and then it will become 306,000 ringgit divided by 115.96 equals to RM 2,638 ringgit 0.84 cent. For bank B, you can use the same formula. 306,000 ringgit equals to R opening bracket 1 minus opening bracket 1 plus 1 divided by 300 closing bracket to the power of negative 420 divided by 1 divided by 300 and then closing bracket, and then you will get 225.85 and then make it to the side and then it will become 306,000 ringgit divided by 225.85 and then you will get 1,354 ringgit 88 cent. For question B, we have to decide which option is the better choice by comparing the interest charge for each option. For bank A and bank B, we can use interest charge formula like have been given in the slide. I equals to opening bracket 2,638 ringgit 84 cent multiplied by 210 closing bracket minus 306,000 ringgit, and then if you use calculator you will get RM 248,156 ringgit 40 cent. For bank B, I equals to opening bracket 1,354 ringgit 88 cent multiplied by 420 closing bracket minus 306,000 ringgit, and then you will get RM 263,049 ringgit 60 cent. Since the interest charged by bank A is lower, bank A is the better choice. So that's all for question 2 part B. Thank you so much.